Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering devices and verifying basics. Plug in the modem and router, then watch the LEDs until they indicate stable power and sync. Once done, locate the SSID and password. These may be on the device sticker or from your provider, and keep them ready for quick entry. You should also place the router in a central, elevated spot to reduce obstructions. This simple placement step improves signal coverage and minimizes repeated setup moves while you log in. You next connect and configure. Open Wi-Fi on your device, scan networks, and select the correct SSID. Make sure it matches exactly. When entering the password, use the show option so you can verify characters and avoid typos. If you need to configure the router, open a browser to 192, 168, 0, 1 or 192, 168, 1, 1 and log in with the admin credentials. Then change the admin password. Confirm wireless security is WPA2, or you finish by validating the connection. Load a web page or run a speed test to confirm download/upload and latency. If pages fail, reboot the modem first, wait 1 minute, then reboot the router and wait another minute. This clears common sync issues. Once done, retest. If problems persist, contact your ISP. Provide account details and the modem/router LED patterns so they can check line signal or provision settings. This step avoids unnecessary hardware swaps and speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.